Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Crunchyroll account using an iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, here is something important to know. You cannot delete your Crunchyroll account directly inside the app. You must use a web browser or contact Crunchyroll support. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari browser. In the address bar, go to crunchyroll.com. Now sign in to your Crunchyroll account using your email and password. Once you are signed in, tap on a profile at the top of the page. From the menu, tap on account settings. If you have an active subscription, make sure you cancel your membership first. This prevents any future charges. Now scroll down and look for help, support or contact us. Tap contact support. You will be taken to a support request page. Choose a topic like account issue or privacy request. In the message box, clearly type I would like to permanently delete my Crunchyroll account. Submit the request. Crunchyroll support may email you to verify your identity. Once confirmed, they will permanently delete your account. And that's it. That's how to delete a Crunchyroll account on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.